welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today we are going to talk about the Purl 2 together decrease. Purl 2 together is most commonly used when you need the right leaning decrease on the knit side of the fabric. The Purl 2 together decrease is the counterpart to the knit 2 together decrease. The only difference between these two is that the Purl 2 together will be worked on the wrong side of your project. To work the Purl 2 together decrease, insert your right needle as if to purl into the first 2 stitches. Wrap your yarn around your right needle and pull it through both stitches. And then slip the stitches of your left needle to create 1 stitch. So let's work it together again, but this time without slow motion. Insert your right needle through both stitches on the left needle as if to purl. Wrap your yarn around your right needle, pull it through both stitches and then slide the stitches of the left needle to create 1 stitch. Insert your right needle through both stitches on the left needle. Wrap your working yarn around your right needle, pull it through both stitches and then slip them off the needle. One more time. Insert your right needle through both stitches on the left needle. Wrap your working yarn around your right needle, pull it through and then slip both stitches off the right needle. This decrease is just as easy to learn as a knit 2 together decrease. And when we compare both of these decreases together, you can see that same decreases are leaning to the right and they are having the same appearance. The choice between the Purl 2 together and the knit 2 together depends on whether you are working on the knit or purl side of the fabric. So that's already it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!